हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरा नाम है सीए कौशल जागेटिया और ये वीडियो मैं स्पेसिफ़िकली सीए इंटर और सीए फाइनल के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बना रहा हूँ जो कि अपना सीए फाइनल और सीए इंटर का एग्जामिनेशंस अपकमिंग दिसंबर 21 एग्जामिनेशंस के अंदर अपीयर करने वाले हैं। सो टॉकिंग अ ब्रीफ अबाउट माय एकेडमिक हिस्ट्री, सी ए इंटर में मेरा ऑल इंडिया रैंक 19 है विद अ स्कोर ऑफ 610 आउट ऑफ 800 एंड सी ए फाइनल में मेरा स्कोर था 510 आउट ऑफ 800. आई वॉज जस्ट शॉर्ट बाई 19 मार्क्स फ्रॉम अ रैंक. So with this, let's get started. I would advise some tips to the students who are going to appear in the upcoming examinations. These are, you can say, some mistakes which I realized while giving my examinations, while studying for my examinations, and which I want that my fellow CA students should not make while doing their preparations. So let's get started. My first and foremost advice is don't sacrifice your sleep. कभी भी स्लीप के साथ में सेक्रीफाइस नहीं करना है. हैव अ पीसफुल स्लीप ऑफ एटलीस्ट 7 to 8 hours. This will ensure that you study effectively, efficiently, and with utmost concentration. The next step is don't just stick to the schedule which you have made few weeks ago or few months ago. What I mean to say is we are ultimately human beings and not robot. Okay, so what we have thought before a week or before a month that I will study this subject on this day, in the present scenario it might not be possible for you to read that subject, to learn that subject, or your mind is just not ready to study that subject. You want some other subject to study, then please change the schedule. Don't just stick to that schedule which you have made, because many a times what I have seen is students prepare a schedule and they just stick to it whether they can study efficiently or not, and what ultimately happens is they waste a lot of time in studying that subject in which they are not confident enough, or at that moment they don't want to study that subject, but then also they just stick to that schedule and ultimately it reduces your efficiency, it wastes your time. Okay, so don't just stick to it, change it frequently. What we say is be reactive, don't be proactive. Okay. Then comes writing practice is must. You must write the mock test of the institute for the December attempt. This will lead to increasing your confidence, your concentration power, and will give you a confidence as to in how much time you will be able to complete your exam paper. So ultimately writing practice is must, and when I say writing practice, it means a full-fledged 3 hours paper which you will write at your home, not just a single piece of answer or a single article. Okay. Then I will say is one thing is it's okay to get demotivated many a times. Okay, because you are left with just 20 to 25 days for your examinations, and during this time what I have felt, what many of my friends who have recently cleared, or those who have failed, whatever the case may be, have felt that this is the time in the last 20 to 25 days before the examinations, there will be times where you will feel demotivated. You will think कि एग्ज़ाम देनी है या नहीं देनी है, एक ग्रुप ही दूँ, बोथ ग्रुप दूँ, या फिर किसी सब्जेक्ट में एग्जामेशन को मैं टारगेट करता हूँ. सो ये सब टाइप की फीलिंग्स, they are very normal, and these feelings don't come in just your or my mind. All the lakhs of students which are going to appear with you in this attempt, they all have somewhere the same feeling in their mind. So just be confident, just trust the process, study 100%. Don't waste your time in these negative feelings. Your work is just to do study, just to prepare well, just to study efficiently, and leave the rest on ICI. Believe me, you will clear in this attempt if you study effectively, efficiently, whichever attempt is this your, as the case may be. Some more tips which I will like to give you is, whenever you get demotivated, just get a thought in your mind, you are not alone in this journey. Okay, there are thousands and lakhs of students who are appearing with you, all are facing the same situation. And whenever I used to get demotivated during my CA final preparations, what I used to think is, if I am not able to study today for one day, then how will I study for the next 6 months if I got fail? And whenever in just a blink of seconds I used to get back to study because I felt that no, it's not possible for next 6 months. So again, I get back to study for that one day. So just think this, and you will definitely get back to study once again. And next thought of motivation is, remember the value of a sign of a CA. Just take the feel of the happiness on your face and your family's face, your parents' face when you will clear CA Inter or CA Final examinations and become a CA Final student or a chartered accountant. So this all is inner motivation. Don't just wait for some external person to give you motivation to study during this time. You need to be internally motivated. Neither I nor any other faculty on YouTube can give you motivation unless and until you are internally motivated to study more and more, and you are internally motivated to become a chartered accountant this attempt. So with this, I will stop this video here, but it's my assurance that every week I will come with at least 2 to 3 videos for you guys. Some will be subject specific, some will be general, which will really help you in your preparations for the upcoming examinations. Do let me know in the comment section if you want any video on any specific topic, specific subject. I will definitely get back to you with a video. Okay friends, signing off. CA Kaushal Jagetia.